Something seems to be lodged in my beak. Would you mind? Oh, I know I'm not a pretty birdie, but I used to be quite a looker. A star. Lights, camera, action.
I was striking, suave, ambitious, feet to beak, so birdie-licious. Now I'm vile, I am villainous and vicious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all. A TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do.
He was a superstar.
So young and vital.
He's nasty.
A South American idol.
Suspicious bird.
Who said that about me?
A very vicious bird.
I'll have you rotisseried.
I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard of you. I'm evil, I'll fill your cheese balls with weevils. I poop on people and I blame it on seagulls. It was him.
He's a nasty bird.
I'm invincible.
He's ghastly.
I'm unminsable. I'm unwashable, unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle.
All of you Brazilian birds. All 80 million birds. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you.
Shut up now. Shut up! It's just me.
I will make you ugly too.
Sweet nightmares.